To troubleshoot CyberScout identity theft insurance, start by understanding what the service offers. CyberScout provides protection and support for individuals who have fallen victim to identity theft, helping them to restore their identity and prevent further damage. First, review your policy to ensure you have a clear understanding of what is covered and what the process is for filing a claim. If you have been a victim of identity theft, contact CyberScout immediately to report the incident and initiate the claims process. Next, gather all relevant documentation, including any evidence of the identity theft, such as fraudulent credit card statements or suspicious emails. This information will be necessary to support your claim and facilitate the investigation. CyberScout will assign a dedicated case manager to work with you throughout the process. This case manager will guide you through the necessary steps to restore your identity and provide support and guidance on how to prevent future incidents. Some key concepts to keep in mind when troubleshooting CyberScout identity theft insurance include monitoring your credit reports regularly, being cautious when providing personal information online, and keeping your antivirus software up to date. Practical examples of how CyberScout can help include assisting with credit report disputes, placing fraud alerts on your credit files, and providing education on how to protect yourself from identity theft. Best practices for working with CyberScout include responding promptly to requests for information, keeping detailed records of all correspondence and documentation, and following the recommendations of your case manager. By following these steps and working closely with CyberScout, you can effectively troubleshoot any issues related to your identity theft insurance and ensure that you receive the support and protection you need. Remember to stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your personal information to prevent identity theft from occurring in the first place.